You checked your phone last night, right? Just one scroll before sleeping. You said 2 hours later, eyes still wide open, and tomorrow, you wonder why focus is gone. What if one simple night routine could make tomorrow feel completely different? More sharp, more calm, more in control. Welcome to Ultramind Hacks. Let's go. Today, you will learn exactly how to build the night routine that works. By the end of this video. Your mornings will never feel the same. And stay till the end for this one secret trick that actually rewires your brain while you sleep. Tonight, it sounds wild, but the science is real. Here is the uncomfortable truth. First, your brain never actually shuts off. It keeps processing everything you fed it right before you closed your eyes. Think of your mind like a kitchen. If you leave it messy at night, you wake up to a chaotic mess. Focus becomes almost impossible then. Most people treat night as downtime only, but your brain uses sleep to sort everything it collected during the day. Your inputs at night decide that sorting. So if you doom scroll before sleep, your brain spends the night replaying noise instead of building sharp focus circuits for the next productive morning ahead. Now here are the steps that work. Simple ones first, then the powerful ones. Apply even just 2 of these, and you will notice the shift tomorrow. Step 1 is called the digital sunset. 1 hour before sleep, put the phone down. Screens emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it is daytime. This suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone, and keeps your nervous system slightly activated. Think of it like leaving your engine running all night in the garage. Set an alarm that says, phone down, and treat it like a meeting scheduled. No excuses. No just one more scroll. This single habit alone changes everything. Step 2 is the brain dump method. Grab any paper and just write everything swirling inside your head right now. Tasks, worries, ideas, anything at all. This is not journaling, this is evacuation. You are taking mental clutter and externalizing it, so your brain does not keep rehearsing those thoughts on a loop all night. Scientists call this the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks hijack mental bandwidth at night. Writing them down signals your brain that they are handled and safe to pause. You sleep deeper and wake up cleaner. It takes literally 3 minutes to do. Try it tonight before anything else. The relief you feel will surprise you. Step 3 is called intentional tomorrow priming. Right before sleep, ask yourself one question. What is the single most important task I need to own tomorrow morning? Do not make a giant list, just one thing written clearly somewhere visible. Your sleeping brain will quietly begin preparing neural pathways around that exact task overnight. This is not motivational fluff at all. Studies in cognitive priming actually show this. Your brain prioritizes and pre-builds focus around whatever thought you hold entering deep sleep. Think of it like setting a GPS before a long drive while still parked. By morning, your brain already knows the route. Focus arrives faster and with less friction. Step 4 is the body temperature trick. This is the secret tip you waited for. Lower your body temperature slightly before sleeping, and your brain enters deep sleep faster. A short, cool shower, or cold feet, or simply cracking the window slightly open drops core temperature, enough to signal your nervous system that deep rest is beginning. Deep sleep is where memory consolidation happens, where focus circuits are literally rebuilt and sharpened. Without enough deep sleep, your prefrontal cortex, the focus center, runs at half power. This is why some people sleep 8 hours and still wake up mentally foggy and scattered. They are getting sleep, but not the right quality of restorative focused brain sleep. Step 5 is the no decisions rule. After 9 p.m., make 0 new decisions. No planning, no replying to serious messages, no solving problems. No big conversations at all. Decision fatigue is real and cumulative throughout the day. Every choice you make depletes mental resources. Forcing decisions at night means you start tomorrow already running low on cognitive fuel. Protect the hours before sleep like gold. Your future focused self will thank you deeply and completely every single morning ahead. Now imagine this for just one moment. You wake up without that foggy, heavy feeling. Your first thought is clear and directed. You know exactly what you are doing. No scrambling, no mental static, no waste, just clean, focused energy from the very start. That is not a fantasy or luck. That is simply what good inputs create. Your brain is not broken or lazy, it is just responding to what you give it. Give it chaos at night, and chaos returns. Give it calm, and clarity returns instead. The big idea behind all of this is one core principle worth remembering always. What you feed your mind at night is what your mind becomes by morning. Most people think focus is a morning problem. They try to fix it with coffee or morning routines, or productivity hacks and tricks, but focus is actually rebuilt the night before. Stop trying to rescue tomorrow morning, only start protecting tonight with intention and care. That is the shift that changes everything permanently and deeply for your focused life. Now do this right after this video. Ends pick just one step from this list. Set it as a reminder for tonight, not tomorrow. Tonight is where it starts. If this helped you even a little, drop a comment saying night mode activated below. It helps the channel, and it reminds you that you made a real commitment today. Subscribe to Ultramind Hacks for more content that actually works on real brain science. See you in the next one. Soon your focused future self is already waiting.